Hello, my lovelies. I hope you guys had a very, very great Mother's Day, but today it's time to get back to work, you guys. All right, so we have a special opportunity from State Farm. Guys, this opportunity pays so well. So this opportunity, it pays up to $75,000 per year. That equals up to $37 per hour, you guys. It has a $2,000 sign-on bonus, you guys. No degree, no experience, and they do tuition reimbursement. Let's get right into this opportunity because it is amazing. But before we do, I have to give out my shout outs. So, Peter G, using my resume kit. Oh, I am so happy for you guys. So, Peter G, he got $139,000 job. Congratulations. Miss Amanda K, she got 144. Congratulations, girly. And Miss Maria, she got 101. 101,000 job offer using my resume kit because my resume kit has everything that you need to get the job, you guys. So the resume kit, I actually added another resume template and I added some more keywords and phrases, so you guys are getting the whole kit. I mean the whole shebang. There is nothing else that you need in order to apply for these jobs. Literally, it's a DIY kit and you do it within 10 minutes, guys. This is an amazing, amazing cut and paste kit. It comes with all the words, everything that you need. So you can apply to these jobs this morning with this resume kit. So we're going to get right into the job. But before we get into that, we do have another opportunity. It is from Moran Insurance. And the reason why I'm bringing you guys insurance jobs is because these jobs are hiring. These jobs are still going to be there during the recession, and most of these jobs do not require a degree. They are based upon skill. And like I said, in my resume kit is filled with the skills that you need in order to get this filled out, get an interview, and land $100,000 job, you guys. So definitely go pick up the resume kit for these jobs, and literally you can apply within 10 minutes. Okay, let's get right into it. Okay, my lovely. So, Moran Insurance Company is hiring for a customer service agent. This job makes about $25 to $32 per hour, you guys. So, let's read right into the description. It says, do you love interacting with others, making connections, and helping people? Then you are an excellent fit for the customer service representative position at our company. You are responsible for responding to customer inquiries, mitigating service problems, and providing an exemplary customer experience. If this posting sounds like a job you'll love, we highly encourage you guys to apply. Compensation. The compensation for this is $25 through $32 per hour. Now let's get to the responsibilities. So the responsibilities of this job, it says reply to incoming calls for customers, including products and service questions, record customer interactions, and follow up on their experience with the company. Interact with the sales lead to maintain and improve service and product knowledge. Refer to customer scripts when working through difficult situations, and refer to a supervisor if necessary, making sure each customer complaint is addressed with care and precision to achieve full customer satisfaction. So those are the responsibilities. So basically what you're going to be doing is you're going to be answering the phone remotely, you guys. This is a remote position. So you're going to be answering the phone remotely. You are going to be helping the customer out, doing any incoming calls, replying to the incoming calls, recording the customer interactions, following up, interacting with the sales leads. You're going to refer customer scripts when working through difficult situations. So you're going to refer it to a supervisor. You're going to make sure each applicant Each customer's complaint is addressed with care. So this is purely a customer service role, you guys. Get down to the qualifications for this role. It says strong knowledge of customer interface and interaction, possess exemplary interpersonal skills, communication skills, and active listening skills. A high school diploma or GED equivalent. So this is one of those skills jobs like I've been telling you guys. This job does not require a degree, but it does require the necessary skills. Get the resume kit because the resume kit is focused toward customer service. Those skills are on my resume kit. Get the skills and land this job, you guys, because the skills that are listed in the resume kit will definitely help you to present your resume better, because you have to think about it like this. Your resume is a highlight reel, and you want to put those key phrases and keywords so that you can land this job, because this job is purely based upon skill. You do not need a degree for this job. Definitely go get the resume kit so you could go put the skills that you need on your resume, you guys. And like I said, it does come with the templates. The resume is going to look professional. So definitely apply for this job. Use the resume kit. 10 minutes. It only takes 10 minutes, copy and paste, for you to land this. Now let's get to the job that you guys originally came here for. So this is a claims specialist from State Farm. This one is based out in Colorado, but this position has many different locations. So go look on their website and get the location nearest you so that you can apply for this job. So it's not only in Colorado, there are other states where this job is based out of. Okay, so this job, let me give you an overview of this job. This job has a sign-on bonus, you guys, of $2,000. So as soon as you get hired, you're going to have a $2,000 sign-on bonus, you guys. Okay, so let's look into the highlights. And like I said, it does not require a degree. This is a skills job, you guys, a skills job. That's why I say the resume kit is going to be so important for this job. Literally, use the skills, the keywords, and phrases on the resume kit, and then you're able to apply. It's going to make your resume look 100% better. It's going to make it sound professional, look professional. There is no reason that you guys cannot get this job when you use the resume kit. Okay, so let's go down. It says, let's go down into job description. So the job description for this says, being good neighbors, helping people, investing in our community, and making of the world a better place is who we are at State Farm. It is the core of how we operate and the reason for our success. Check what it's like to be in claims and see what makes us great. All right, you guys. So let's look into this. It says we offer a surprisingly great compensation package. It says this position is eligible for up to $2,000 in welcome bonuses throughout the first year of employment. So this is not a sign-on. Yes, it is. It's a sign-on bonus. It says this position is eligible for $2,000 in welcome bonuses. Okay, so let's go. The starting salary is between 51,000 to 75,000 annually. That's 25 through $37 an hour, based on skills based on skills and qualifications, you guys. It says with the high end of the range limited to applicants with specific relevant experience. It says you are also eligible for our annual bonus based on individual and enterprise experience, annual merit increases, guys. Okay, so it says we offer a ton of amazing benefits. So for this position, we offer a ton of amazing benefits, paid time off, plus 5 days of life leave to take care of yourself and your family, paid volunteer time, annual celebration day to celebrate what's important to you, paid development time, wellness and mental health programs, tuition reimbursement, community college tuition program, you guys, and discounts with hundreds of retailers through our perks at the work program. Where your work. Let's go down to that. It says this is a remote position. However, competitive candidates must reside within 100 miles of the Greenlee, Denver, or Colorado Springs area. But like I said, once you guys go on their website, when you guys go on their website, you're going to see this position but for a lot of different locations. So go on the website. Even if you're not in Colorado, do not psych yourself out. Go and see if any of those other states, like I said, go and see any of those other states are hiring for the same position, which at the time of recording, they were. To responsibilities. It says when you join our team, you feel good knowing you are helping our customers recover from the unexpected. Our claims specialists are committed to helping our customers through the claims process while providing remarkable service. Okay, let's get down to it. It says investigating, evaluating, negotiating, and settling claims. Applying knowledge of policies and insurance regulations when determining coverage, liability, and damages. Contacting customers by telephone, written correspondence, and various electronic media, effectively managing work through task-driven queues while multitasking in a fast-paced call center environment, supporting our customers through personalization, caring, and simple interactions. So basically, you're going to be taking them through the claims process. This is very similar to the Allstate job that I put there yesterday. This is a very similar to that. So you're just going to be helping them through the claims process. Okay, now let's look at the qualifications. You guys, there is no mention of degree. There is no mention of experience. Get this job. Get this job. It says competitive candidates demonstrate the following: strong written and verbal communication skills, ability to prioritize and timely complete workload while efficiently utilizing technology, strong critical thinking and decision making skills, accountability, resourcefulness. You guys, this is a skills-based job. This is 100% a skills-based job. The only thing that they have listed on there is the skills. That's it. The only thing that they have listed on is the skills. Get the resume kit. The resume kit has all of the skills that you need to put on your resume to show them that you qualify so that you can land this job. This this can be applying for this job can be very easy, you guys. It only takes 10 minutes. I included a situational phrases that you can use in the resume kit, you guys. And for those of you who are struggling and need guided help, book a consultation with me, book a rewrite session. Book a rewrite session. It is on my page, you guys. But this one is a very, very good no degree job, and it pays you $2,000 just for signing on. Okay, let's get down to the last of it. It says employees must successfully complete all required training, including applicable licensing exams and background checks. Get this job. Get this job. Get the resume kit so the resume kit can help you to land this job. This is, hey, the resume kit in 10 easy minutes will help you land this job and put the skills from the resume kit on your resume. Get the resume kit, land both of these jobs, and be done with it. All right, you guys, like and follow for more, and make sure you guys are subscribed because I'm going to be putting out so much more content. Like and follow. Bye.